Guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video, very important video. Infosys exam is completed. What is the selection chances? When was the result expected dates? I'm passing 2 coding questions. Should I receive 9 LPA package or else 6 LPA package? Because there is a 2 different roles is hiring: digital specialist programmer role and power programmer role. So I'll discuss each and everything in this video, so you will get complete information. So before start this video, just like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel, and also you can comment in this video like how many codes you are passing, so that we'll understand, and I am also giving the reply for each and every candidate. Okay, so one more thing, this is the free jobs free help channel. So this channel will help many candidates, even Accenture time also more than 1000 members selected, even Infosys time. Our team will be posting continuous some reference codes and preparations and previous batch questions and all. So this channel will helpful. Share your juniors and experienced candidates. Each and every candidate will get the good number of notifications and updates and all. Okay, so join the WhatsApp channel, link in the description, as well as pinned comment. You can go through that, you can join the channel. Okay, so here is the today live exam question. Almost a few candidates will be completed 2 coding questions, all test cases, and few candidates will be pass the test cases, only 1 coding question. Okay, so could you please comment on this video, so I'll understand how many codes you are passing. Okay, so what is the selection process? Okay, so that is the first point we need to analyze the as per your exam. So suppose you are passing only 1 coding question, is there any chances or rejection? Okay, is there any chances for selection or rejection? In my analysis for the previous batches, you must pass. Okay, you must pass at least 1 coding question. Okay, suppose this time off campus hiring will be bulk hiring. Okay, in this time there is a chances for selection even if you pass only 1 coding question. Okay, I'm repeating once again, if you pass 1 coding question, all test cases, not for the sample test cases, not for the only 5 test cases or 6 test cases, you need to pass each and every test case at least 1 coding question. Because you can see in the YouTube or else channel or Telegram, every candidate will be receiving the exam, so almost it's a bulk mass hiring. In that cases, many candidates will be selection if you pass at least 1 coding question. Okay, if you pass at least 1 coding question, you will be selected. Okay, so this is the first important point for who are passing the 1 coding question. But if you pass only 1 coding question, the package will be basic. Okay, basic DSC role, they will conducting the interview and physical assessment. That means, and I'll discuss how to prepare for the physical assessment also, so you can watch until the end of this video. So that is the scenario. If you pass 1 coding question, all test cases, you will be selection chances very high because of the mass hiring. Okay, because of the mass hiring, there is a high chances for even if you pass the 1 coding question. And coming to the next 2 coding questions, if you pass 2 coding questions, there is a chances for power programmer role interview. Okay, but before that, you need to write a physical assessment question, at least 1 question. So remember one thing. Okay, remember one thing, you can by heart the code. Okay, those who are selected for the interview, or else those who are passing the coding questions, like at least 1 or 2 coding questions, you can start preparing for the physical assessment. Okay, maximum these type of questions, they will like whatever the questions will comes in this in the online assessment, same questions will be for the physical assessment. That is the only 1 question they given. You need to write a code or logic, and based on your performance in the physical assessment, and they will be invited for the interview lobby, as I mentioned in the previous video. Okay, so you must prepare for the exam coding questions. Okay, if you want, you can check in the Telegram, there is a lot of questions will be there. You can practice all the questions thoroughly, like just you need to understand the logic. I think you already know, right? Array string concepts will become, as I said in the previous video, same questions will be came for the today's video or today exam also. So you need to prepare some questions like whatever the 10 o'clock and 2 p.m. questions will be there. So that questions you need to prepare if you pass the 1 or 2 coding questions, all test cases. Okay, if you pass 1 or 2 coding questions, all test cases, you need to start preparation for the physical assessment and interview. Okay, so guys, you need to remember one thing: your knowledge will give the job. Okay, so that's what I am saying. You are clearing the many semester exams and many competitive exams. So this is not a big thing to clear the exam and interview. It's a simple thing. Okay, if you maintain the cutoff, and if you prepare for the repeated questions in the physical assessment, same questions, and interview also they are asking logic, what is a array, what is a string, what is a data structure, like what is a merge sort and full stack string, this type of questions they will ask. As a fresher, you just prepare the basic questions, then you will be selected. It's not a small thing. It's a 6 LPA 9 LPA package hiring, so you must prepare for each and every topics. Okay, so yeah, if you pass 1 or 2 coding questions, you are selected. So that's the reason I'm telling you, start preparing for today onwards, like questions and codes, and you can practice hacker rank coding questions, so it will be helpful. Okay, so that is the important process for the next step. And coming to the coming to the result expected dates, within 3 to 4 working days you will get a mail. That is the you are shortlisted for the interview round. So you need to fill the location, you need to prefer the location. So as per the location preference, we will schedule a physical and online interview, the physical and offline interview. Okay, so location preference and selection result mail will be came within 3 to 4 days, but working days. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, maybe within Friday you will get an interview exam result. Okay, I hope you clear the result dates, right? Within 3 to 4 days, that means maybe Thursday or Friday you will get a result. So please be prepared for that. And because there is a less time to prepare for the interview and physical assessment, so within May month, the complete process will be completed and interview result will be also declared. So as per the mass hiring, there is a selection chances is very very high. So you need to maintain each and every round cutoff. Online exam completed and physical assessment, there is some basic logic, and you need to execute that. And also interview will be communication skills and basic technical questions. Okay, so that is the important. So 3 rounds, 1 round completed, remaining 2 rounds will be there. So that is the offline assessment and interview. Okay, so this is the complete video analysis for the candidates. So all the best. Please start your preparation today onwards if you are clear the 1 or 2 coding questions. Okay, and if anything forgot to mention, yeah, next week onwards interview results will be chances. Suppose if you not clear 1 coding question also, you will receive a rejection mail also in the next week. And if you clear the 1 coding question and 1 or 2 coding questions, you will receive a selection chances very very high. Okay, so 1 coding question is based on our analysis. Okay, sometimes even if you pass the 1 coding question, so if other candidates pass the 2 coding questions, if I'll give you the complete clarity. Suppose if 20 members pass the 2 coding questions, suppose if 30 members pass the 1 coding question, so they will prefer only 20 candidates. Okay, so this is the ratio differed. So you need to understand that thing also. So don't be panic, you can apply other off-campus drives also, but if you pass 1 or 2 coding questions, you can start your preparation. And this is the complete analysis. I hope 2 coding questions and 9 LPA chances is based on your interview performance. Okay, but your exam codes will be recorded in their systems. So if you pass the 2 coding questions, definitely there is a high chances for getting the high package also. Okay, so all the best. Please start your preparation. If suppose if you feel this video will be lag, so Please forgive us, because I need to mention each and every point, right? Because students will understand clearly whatever the process will be going on, and what is the next step, how to prepare the interview, how to clear the interview. So in the upcoming videos also, I'm start uploading interview preparation and interview questions, like previous batch interview questions and all. I'll upload it, so please start your preparation today onwards. Okay, so all the best, thanks for watching, and join the WhatsApp channel, link in the description as well as comment section. Thank you, bye bye.